Hi, this is an overview of your goals and objectives assignment, and this is something that needs to be completed before your practicum starts, and you need to have your goals and objectives approved by your preceptor. So this should be something that your preceptor approves or is actively involved as far as setting your goals and objectives. So you may want to have a conversation with him or her ahead of time over the phone just to kind of talk about what you are planning or what you hope to gain through your practicum experience. This really helps with your experience in making sure that it's unique to you and what your needs are. And that is going to be the focus of your goals and objectives. So as we dive into the assignment itself, basically, you're going to identify some goals for your practicum and at least 3 measurable SMART objectives. And it's really important to learn the craft or to refine your craft as far as writing SMART objectives. And there is guidance on the rubric as well. And there's guidance in the course as far as a website that you can look at to gain more insight in writing SMART objectives. And also there's a little clip art thing that has the different components of SMART objectives, meaning specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So all of those components need to be included in your SMART objectives. So just remember that. Basically, you can do your goals and objectives in bullet points if you would like, and just have 1 to 2 paragraphs explaining why you chose your goals and objectives. And again, the goals and objectives need to be specific to what you seek to gain through your practicum experience, and you will be kind of designing your practicum experience based on your goals and objectives. So as far as overall, we want to make sure that you are citing any references that you may use. You want to make sure that you're using a cover page and that you're using paragraph format when you're explaining your goals and objectives. But again, you can do them in bullet points as far as the goals and objectives if that's a clear way to define them, and usually it is. So let me know if you have absolutely any questions about establishing your goals and objectives. If you want to talk through what you're thinking, that's perfectly fine as well. So anyway, I look forward to learning more about your goals as you move forward. Thank you so much.